This episode, we leave the Mitchell River and head around the corner into Swift Bay to explore the ancient Aboriginal art found in the rock caves and overhangs.
Day 108 for us, and we're just going around Voltaire Passage, and Chris is itching because there's a lot of birds out here today, so he's trying to see if we can catch a fish today. So there's a whale just up here which we just discovered, which I didn't think there was any whales around here at this stage. Oh, I missed it! I missed it! Yep.
Way. I don't know if we let it out a long way or it took a lot of line.
Well, I've said I wasn't sure how much line to let out, so I just let some out.
I've been reeling for ages.
Oh well.
What is it?
I don't know, but it was just laying on the surface a second ago.
It was. Didn't want to come up.
Now it's gone down, has it?
Yep, it's gone deep. What is out there? What is it? Shark.
It's a shark. And they're the pretty ones too. They look really nice. I'll get them.
Oh, no, they're bronzies.
I don't know, but it's a big shark. I'll tell him over the other way. Oh, he doesn't look as nice. Oh, he does.
I'm just going to tow him for a sec, make sure he's got water in the gills. Come on, buddy. I know you've water. You ready? Go.
Yep. He was fine.
And we're heading into Swift Bay. The problem we have is pearl farms that are marked on the chart, so we're keeping a very close eye out.
Entering Swift Bay, the charts show there is a pearl farm marked here in red. Not sure if it's operational. We have our radar on looking for the boundary markers, and we keep a very close watch for any buoys, as you cannot stop suddenly when you're under sail. Luckily, there were no buoys, so it appears that the pearl farm has closed.
We've just come into Swift Bay and we're just coming out to the beach, and you can see this huge steep angle that the sand's on. So it's a very steep beach, and look how far the tide actually comes in. So let's kind of have a look, have an explore.
Actually, that's quite grippy.
Bit steep?
That's steep, yes. It's actually quite hard to walk up.
Oh, look how far. Look how steep that is. It's ridiculous. Poor Laylah coming around.
Yeah, bad time with the wind today.
They had the shittiest day. The wind just wasn't where they were. We had great wind and a great sail.
Patience, coming.
We're not. Nowhere near. Nowhere near.
Wait, swing. It's coming. It's slowly. It's 14 tonne. It takes a bit.
Oh my god. Had to use the entrance trying to move poor alley cat. Lisa? Yeah, that's it there.
That's not for me, but it's for you.
Nice and close. This is Bubble Beach. It's supposed to bubble up, is it?
That is a massive anchor.
Was there pearls here or something?
Oh, is this where they...
That is huge.
That is huge. That's a massive boat.
Pearl farms. So this is Bubble Beach. We thought we'd check it out first, see where the tide was. There you go, they'll hold the tender in place. It might sink her.
Have a look at the chain though.
Oh, the chain would be massive. Oh my goodness. Look at it.
Nice little beach though.
Right, walk on it, see if it bubbles.
Okay. That's why it's called Bubble Beach. When you walk on it, it blows bubbles. section there, because here doesn't. Oh, it does a bit.
Oh, all the way along here.
Yeah. Well, it's nice and exciting. You're not getting out, guys?
Well, we got to get out and get over the sand
Oh,
spit.
we got to get out? Oh, well, I'm like, oh, just sit here.
Yeah.
Alright,
So, shortcut over the sandbar.
you're safe to get back in again.
Geez, Karen, all the excitement.
No, the art's underneath there, is it?
Okay, that big rock right ahead.
That one there, you reckon the art's underneath there? Oh, that's a bit boring. No walking for that one.
There's something there. Not a lot.
Oh, is that it?
That looks familiar. Yeah.
Something's sticking in my shoe. Anything there? Oh, so
The artwork.
There's quite a few here. You reckon?
well, here's probably not too bad, Chris. This spot here is probably not too bad.
Still be up here.
I love these short walk ones.
That's a big one.
Yeah.
Yeah, huge ones in there. That's a lot of detail in that one.
He was very confident when he said that.
I know. You come through there?
Yeah. Viewing rock.
Something there.
I think that's why they put leaves in.
There you go.
Can you get a look at it?
Yeah.
You can sit on my lap. Flower grinding spot.
No, that one is
Round
their paints.
Yeah, possibly, but they used to do that to grind the seeds of what spinifex or something it was, and then they made that into a coarse sort of like a dampery ball stuff.
Wallaby.
around there. Maybe they saw a creature on a rock.
Oh, well, that's really, after what we've had, that's really not even worth it, the fuel to get there. You look at these things floating, you're like, what the hell? That's gone under.
Yeah, that's gone under. What was that?
There's a crocodile there. Oh, Chris, back. Go back, please. Big croc.
Oh, no, big. He swam off? He's swimming out.
Sorry, Joe.
There's tension in the boat.
Oh, I didn't want to go near it.
Didn't want to go near the waterfall. That's a decent sized shark. Is it the same? place for comfort. You're proving that it can be done.
Are you catching fish?
Have you got one or two? One. Should I let it go?
It's all tangled, you can't get it out.
Ah, there.
I do it because that shark was around.
Oh.
And he was coming around as I was going, making the noise, and then all these things were coming. I can get them, just look at them all.
So like,
like the net.
we'll jump into your
I think
net.
they're thinking that there's something happening.
Alright, the film's on now, you got to catch him. Oh, two now.
Look at them all.
Look at them all.
You know what? A big bloody croc will come up in a minute.
I think you've had more fun fishing off the back of your boat.
He's had more success.
So what I
Here we go. Ready?
Oh no, Chris just patted his back. It's a crazy shark. And he's coming around again for more. It's a lemon shark and he's coming around for another. Look at this.
You went down, you silly bugger. Come on. Oh, there you go. It is pretty amazing, patting the shark.
Just his head up like he wants to be patted.
I think he's put his up to be fed.
That's hilarious. It's just like he loves it. It's just hilarious.
He loves human contact.
It just cracks you up. It's like it's funny. So it's just coming up. Just like that.
Right up.
It's weird. Come up then.
Came right up on the surface.
Right up to the surface. Just like that.